To play the Hollow Knight Silksong with the gamepad on Steam, first of all you will need to connect your gamepad to your PC, and I've made a great video example about how to connect your Xbox controller to your PC, and you can watch it. I will try to link it in the description. Then when you have your controller connected or plugged in with your PC, right, like I have right here, you should see a Hollow Knight Silksong and then the controller right there. You can go to View Controller Settings and select your preferred input. Enable it, and then for me it's Xbox, so it's selected right here, and there's nothing else that we should do. If we launch the game, just give it a moment. We have a game and we can control it with a gamepad. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.